Hey y'all, it's your Sky Diva. Let's make a traditional bow in roughly 5 minutes or so. So I've got my easy bow maker. I'm only using one ribbon. That's my yellow sort of gingham in 1.5 inch, and my bow dabber wire and a pair of scissors. So I'm gonna cut about a 24-inch tail. Of course, dovetail the ends, and then I'm going to slide it in my easy bow maker, making sure it's even, and then I'm just going to slide it in. And the thing I love about my easy bow maker is I can slide my ribbon on that little spindle, and then I don't have to worry about it like rolling onto the floor. So that's what I was doing, trying to make a decision. Alright, and so now I'm going to do 5-inch loops. And so there you saw me making sure that I was using the right side of the ribbon, because there's a good side and bad side, even though, it looks the same, it's not. So there I am, using my measurements of my easy bow maker, making sure I have 5-inch loops. And you see me putting my hand into the loop just to make sure that it's going to be rounded. Because sometimes I've laid my ribbon in my easy bow maker, and my loops ended up kind of off kilter a little bit. But I've watched other crafters put their hand in to kind of make sure that it's measured correctly and that their bow is going to flow 5 inches. And so I've started incorporating that into how I make my bows. So it's me making sure that each loop is about the same size. Remember, they don't have to be exact. Nobody's going to notice unless it's like completely off by like an inch or so. So I am making sure they're about the same size. I'm lifting that ribbon out, I'm pinching and twisting, and then laying it back in. And I'm doing 5 loops on each side. I think I did 5 on one side and 6 on the other. So that's just me making sure my loops aren't being crushed down. And then I'm pressing down. I think I'm just about to the end. If you've made it this far, make a comment. Just do yellow gingham. And I'd love it if you would subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Like, share, leave me a comment. Because I'm trying to grow my followers. So there we go. I'm still placing my loops in. And then I'm cutting about an inch. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take those 2 ends, or the 2, I put the bow dabber wire in because I want to make a slip knot. So I'm going to take the 2 ends and I'm going to slide it through the loop that I made, and then I'm going to pull. And then you hold the ribbon in one hand just so you can make it stay in place. And then what I like to do is I like to flip it over and lay it flat. And then I'm going to tie 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 knots in the back, just making sure I'm pulling really taut, because I want to make sure that my bow does not come apart. And I'm leaving that bow dabber wire long because I'm going to add this to a wreath, a grapevine wreath to be exact, a yellow tulip grapevine wreath. Now what I'm doing is I am pulling my loops apart and trying to place them into my traditional bow. And you can do this with 1 ribbon, you can do this with 2 ribbons, you can do a traditional bow with 3 ribbons. It's kind of up to you. But for this tutorial, I'm just doing 1. So I'm trying to make sure all my loops are arranged the way I want them. You will continue to fluff them. This is just an initial fluff, because as you know, as soon as I put this on that grapevine wreath, I'm going to have to do some more fluffing. Thanks for watching.